Hi, my name's Jarlin. I'm from London. I am a nurse and a midwife, and I wanted to get into Forex trading just as something different that I can do from home, especially with everything that's going on in the world right now. It's not really, safe to be nursing on the front line. So I got into Forex trading, well, learning about Forex trading, I should say, about 5-6 weeks ago. So before my journey to find Forex for beginners, I did a course. I paid quite a lot of money for an online course into Forex trading. It gave me a good foundation. However, it lacked the practical application to take all the theory that you'd learned in the course and actually apply it. For example, the whole course was done on TradingView, which is like a program where you can use tools and mark up your charts and things like that. And then that was kind of it. And at the end of the course, we were stuck because then you went on to your MetaTrader account, which is completely different to TradingView. For example, when you want to look at selling something or buying something, the risk to rewards, you've got different tools on TradingView, and on a MetaTrader it's very simple. It all looks like lines, and I was stuck, and I just thought I paid all this money for this course. I had all this knowledge. I was just bursting to get onto the charts and start trading, and I just didn't have the practical steps to bring all the knowledge from the course and TradingView onto MetaTrader. There was a massive gap. So what happened then, I was just on YouTube in the wilderness, really, just looking for help, and it was kind of like you'd done all your driving lessons, like theory, and then the course just left you sitting in the car, and there was no one to tell you, this is how you turn the ignition, this is how you check your mirrors, this is how you find the clutch pedal. I just had all this theory, but now I was in the car actually looking at my MetaTrader account. I had no idea how to apply and how to use MetaTrader. It's completely different setup to what we did the course on. So there I was on YouTube looking at videos, and I found a video by Forex for beginners, and it just did what it said on the tin. It was like, this is how you do a trade or set up a trade on MetaTrader. And I was just like, oh my God, it was just like 3 or 4 minutes of heaven. I was just so grateful, because it was just like someone saying, here's the key, turn the ignition, your car's going to start. And I was like, wow. So I left a review and I just said, thank you so much. The way you explained it was ABC. It was very, very straight to the point. And that's exactly what I needed, because there's a lot of waffle and a lot of, noise on YouTube, and they just said it exactly. So I thought, I've got to leave a good review. And then I think it was Saeed himself actually said, come and join us, come and look at the website. There's more tutorials on there, lots of learning. There's a student group and it's free. And I was like, yeah, it's not really going to be free. What's free? Nothing. So I thought, let me have a look, because I liked that video that I, seen. So I thought, give them the benefit of the doubt. Went onto the website and I was just amazed. Absolutely. Put the paid course really to shame, because it was there from the beginning to the end, just like all these lessons just divided up into easy to digest tutorials that kind of held your hand through every aspect of trading right from the beginner. I mean, I've never traded before in my life. I'm a nurse, and I could follow each and every step in each and every video, and I like the way that it was set out. You watch the video, you understand that little bit of knowledge that's just been given to you in that video. Then you consolidate it by marking up your chart in the way that you've just been shown. So then it goes in, it sinks in, you understand it. And best of all, you've got a student group. So you post your chart in the student group, and Saeed's there, and he will mark your chart actually like a teacher with ticks and crosses. This is great, work on this. And to get that feedback so quickly when you're learning really compounds your learning and speeds it up, amazingly. And that feedback, not from him, but also from the other students in the group, is invaluable. And it is free. I'm now on lesson 25, and I've learned so much. Candlestick patterns, I'm getting there with Fibonacci, moving support and resistances, how to plot support and resistance, easy sort of, not shortcut, but just simple ways. you know, talking about like bullish signals and bearish signals. You're looking at so many different things, talking about pips and pipettes and things like that, going into detail, you know, so you can do the maths behind it. It's so simple the way that he's you know, put the course together. Talking about risk and reward, you know, your risk management, you know, strategies, giving you a guide to follow, how many practice trades you need to do before you can become proficient and then go on your own. It's fantastic, absolutely. And I'll be forever grateful, because it's just the way that it's been taught. You can feel your learning and understanding compounding on each and every lesson. The pace that he goes is wonderful. The feedback is second to none. You can post a chart today and you can get feedback, you know, sometimes within just a few minutes. It's incredible, absolutely. So I'd recommend this course to anyone that's interested in trading, no matter what your background is. You know, I'm a nurse and I've learned so much, and you know, I can see now there's less crosses on my charts, there's more ticks, there's more nice work, well done, keep going. Brilliant. So go for it.